You've just gone through a series of 4 questions relating to the story of the architect. I'd like to take a moment with you to compare how you answered the second and third questions from the perspective of each of the workers. Here are the 2 questions that you were asked, along with your answers for each question. I'm hoping you'll find this interesting as we observe your answers together. So in an analysis of your worldview, it seems you view these questions from the perspective of the way you are rewarded based on what you deserve or don't deserve. For example, like the workers in the story, you were upset with the architect. Although you got what was promised, when you saw what others received in comparison, you felt you deserved more. But then when you were put in a different situation, you give thanks to him because you receive more than you deserve. From the perspective of those who worked 1 hour, you feel blessed when the architect acted in your favor. What could you learn about yourself from this example? While it appears your worldview orients you to focus on the kindness of the architect, you can see that your feelings depend on how you are rewarded. Feelings are neither right nor wrong, but feeling angry or feeling thankful based on your situation causes your understanding of the architect to be inconsistent and could result in damaging the relationship with someone like him. Finally, let's explore one last point the storyteller may be wanting you to know. Let me ask you this question.